Hey Uncle, I just wanted to show you, this is the map of the camps and villages I was showing you, the province from my book, and these are locations, and here in black. Um, what I want to do is actually record these points as place marks, so I'm going to actually physically, let's get this here moving. So these black marks will become features of where the camps were in New Brunswick. Um, so I don't know the exact locations. I'm just going to put a code. I'd love to know how you did your codes. I'm going to call this pin Miramichi A, for example, for this location, um, so that we can keep these. The ones I'm mainly concerned about. I can go up here to notice all the native names, by the way. Um, is these pins. Looks like there's 5 of them here. So I'm going to pin these down, um, um, especially in the north here. I'm going to call this jacket. It's close to, now it's, actually I'm just going to call it, that's near, I'm going to call it North Camp, North Village. A. Anyways, um, these are what I'm going to do to geocode, like I mentioned to you. Um, Once I have a GPS of all these, I can basically heat map their locations, and really start dive deeping into why they would have settled and camped here. Anyways, should be a good project.